today I'm gonna test out the recent tab. Well, there's a storm going on in my country. Let's go! Helping Hand 2. What's Helping Hand? Guys, tell me in the comments what's Helping Hand. Never mind. Oh! It's this level where you have to die to beat the level. So you can't beat it in one attempt. Sadly, this level I can't do one attempt. Imagine if I can do all of this without any attempts. The level's really cool, but I have to say that it's copied somewhere. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was copied somewhere. What? Let me throw it. Ooh! What the is that? This level sucks. Dislike. No name. I don't like levels with no names. And this is the exact reason why. This is very ass. Real hardest level. Oh! Oh, I just need a frame perfect on camera. Okay, I'll name 94. Is this hack verified? Oh, it isn't. Yeah, I beat the level in one attempt. I can just tell the creator I beat this. I beat it I'm named Zero. Why can't people just name their levels? That's just too sloppy. Name the levels. Verge of Calamity. I made them level about this. I remember. I made a level called Calamity. I don't know what happened. Alright guys, you should like and subscribe. Metro Cop 6. No. Not this level. It's already rated. This is not part of it anymore. Reset. 100 times. Hack verified. Add things I hate. Everyone loves this, bro. Why, who doesn't love upside down wave? Triple spike is fine. Upside, who hates that? I personally like mini wave. I understand. Who doesn't like this? It's like upside down cube. Collect all coins. Oh, the free icons hack things. Dual plus mirror. No, I don't. I personally don't like the dual portal. Rotate plus frame perfect. You don't have to decorate your name that much. Rail bastard. Why the upside down portal? Why do you hate the upside down portal? Oh, it's your siblings. I think something's wrong with you, like, man. Like, why your siblings? We're talking about something GD related. Next. Trickster 66 plus 1. Yeah, dual is very bad. That's very normal. That was a grave flag. Remove it because I support yellow homophobia. It's not okay. I also replace the homophobes username with mine. Phil McCracken. Wow. He's a homophobic. Hee hee. What game mode are you trying to get here? If it's the spider game mode, this is like practically impossible. I would like to see you guys try like make this possible in the spider game. Like that's just impossible. Bloodbath. Why don't you like Bloodbath? Bloodbath's pretty good. Just because you can't beat it doesn't mean you have to hate it. Memory. Yeah, same. Hola Venem, soy Venen. Okay, Venen. Who's Venen? Oh, it's this guy. Everything. Man, this guy's man. Taco Boss 7, making Swimcopter gameplay. You know, I'm really good at making Swimcopter gameplay. Blind jumps. The spammer. Nexus fan. Oh yeah, okay. The ending jump. Whatever. Why do you hate the pulsing roddings? That is said that. That's just normal gravity. What's the key? Why is there a key? What's the key gonna do? Dual. No. Dislike. Where's there a big blue dislike thing? Shy Guy 1134. Crash. Free orbs. Get 3 coins. Like this level. Rate easy. Mean untrue things about me. You know. Move trigger. What's wrong with the move trigger? Why do you hate the move trigger? Asymmetrical duel. I understand. Whatever that is. 999% is the ending jump. Ah! 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 Who did this? I'm in platformer mode. 7, 6. Maps, bro. Crad et Nihil. Hey, well. No. I can't understand this. I'm beating this level. I think half of this video is just me looking at the things. I finally found my buddy, yeah! Wait, this is an asymmetrical door. Ah!